Introducing the AliWood 15mm clip-on series, premium aluminium panels with realistic wood grain finishes. Designed for modern architecture, these slim panels create a beautiful and modern finish across walls, ceilings, and even garage doors that blend seamlessly with surrounding facades. Installation is simple. Fix the back plate to the substrate at 450mm centers. Clip the front plate into place, concealing all fixings, and then push the end caps in where necessary. The gap between the battens is your preference as the client. There is no specific requirement. AliWood 15mm clip-on series, simple installation, endless possibilities.